This will be a speed test between the OnePlus 5T, now this is the 8GB of RAM variant, versus the Sony Xperia XZ Premium. Now both of these phones have been upgraded to Android 8.0 Oreo. I've been browsing through the comments and a lot of you wanted to see this matchup, so here it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on both at the same time and see which one has the faster boot up. Let's go. And we are in! Womp 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 womp. Android 8.0 on both phones, as you can see. I'm gonna go ahead and clear the background. And let's get started with the messaging app. Camera. There you go, very similar. Calculator. Both are nice and fast. Okay, 5T a little bit ahead on the clock. Play Store, very close. Open lift, I'll just leave it there. eBay, woo, so quick. Leave it on that Note 8 on eBay. Amazon shopping on both. Okay, 5T a little bit ahead. Click on the deal of the day. Leave it on that page. Adobe Acrobat Reader, woo. Speed test app. Give this to the premium. Go ahead and check the server, make sure we're on the same one, and we are. Start with the premium. Mario Run. Both are loading. And the premium a little bit ahead. Tap to begin on both. And I'll just close the game. Subway Surf. Loading on both. Woo! Hella close. Tap to play on both. Close out the game. Temple Run 2. Both are loading. Oh! Which one's out in front? Let's find out right now. And the premium a little bit ahead. Tap to play on both. Close the game. Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. Let's go. And the 5T's way out in front. And the 5T with an emphatic victory on this one. CSR Racing 2. See which one's out in front, and looks like the 5T is a little bit ahead on this game. Twitter on both phones. Give that to the 5T. And Snapchat, the 5T again. Okay, so let's take a look at the multitasking of both phones. Everything's in the background, as you can see. Go ahead and start with Twitter. Ready to tweet. CSR Racing 2. This game is paused and ready to resume. Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. Ready to continue. Temple Run 2. And we have a reload already on the premium. And ready to resume on the 5T. Subway Surf. And another reload on the premium. Ready to go on the 5T. So as you can see, 8 gigs of RAM versus 4 gigs of RAM, a little bit of a difference here. Mario Run, and still in RAM on both phones. The speed test app, and ready to go on the 5T, and this is a reload again on the XZ Premium. Adobe Acrobat Reader. There you go, a little bit of a delay on the premium. Amazon shopping, right where we left it off on the deal of the day. eBay on both, and right where I left it off, a little bit of a stutter though on the premium. The Play Store, right on lift. Clock on both, and a little bit of a stutter on the right again. Calculator, still in RAM. The camera, there we go. And the messaging app. Boom. So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you thought about this matchup. Are you a Sony boy rocking the XZ Premium? Do you like this kind of design with the bezels, but you do get a 4K display and front-facing speakers? But I do think in 2018, the new Sony phones are going to have a lot less bezel than this, so that's something to look forward to if you're a Sony boy. Or are you team OP5T, rocking the OnePlus 5T, the OnePlus 5, or the OnePlus 3T? Those phones having 6 or 8 gigabytes of RAM, hella RAM. Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.